This is a special podcast presentation from 700WLW.com. This is Casey Boland on Demand.
Casey Boland joins me this time of day. Casey's with Hanghold Capital Management, and we talk money and we talk the market. And Casey, you make the point that if you take a look at the winners and losers in the market, it really doesn't seem to make sense right now. It's not like a matter of, half of them performed well and half of them underperformed. What actually happened?
Well, you're exactly right. The statistics are not like the normal bell-shaped curve. And when you look at the data, you go back from 1989 to 2015, there was analysis on about 14,500 stock returns on an annual return basis. What's interesting is, though, that 40% of all stocks during this period ended up with a negative return, and you pair that 40% with some other stocks, and collectively now you get to 80%. So between the 40 that were negative and another 40% of other stocks, essentially those together, they gave investors no return, 0%.
80% of the time, which means only 20% actually did me a whole lot of good.
That's right. So you have to ask yourself the question then when you're looking to pick individual stocks. Basically, if you're taking out the top 20% of performing stocks, you're going to have negative returns or zero. So how confident are you in picking individual stocks now?
I wouldn't be.
Well, I think a lot of people, though, they like to pick individual stocks. But if you're going to do so, it really does to continue to prove the point that the odds are stacked against you. And if you're going to do it, you have to make sure you're invested in different industries. You've got to be extremely disciplined in the process that you're doing to be successful at it, because the odds are stacked against you. For most investors, diversify broadly, own a majority of the stocks through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. This will give you the best opportunity to capitalize on all the returns the market has to offer.